Oh, bulls. Spinning. It's funny because the rear has so much grip.
It does. I had to turn traction control off.
You did?
Yeah. Traction control off.
Dude, I love driving in the rain, honestly, just because like you can really test your your abilities. You know, like where the grip is.
Especially, well, these front tires are fucking.
Exactly. Oh look, they're going up to that new house up there.
The NFL players.
Yeah, they're finally finishing that job.
Does he still live there?
I don't know. He might have sold it. I think he sold it, honestly.
Leonard was just
Lenny,
screaming.
look at Lenny. Okay.
Yeah.
This thing has a good fisheye too, so it probably has a lot of view back here. Pirelli got us gripping.
Seriously, what the fuck? That's why I be careful.
Yeah, definitely be
I
careful.
mean, they are, but. Oh, yeah.
We gotta put the camera and show the tires like right now. Then people be like, "What the hell?"
Look, I'll put your window down and I'll turn the tire.
Yeah, dude.
But because I'm gonna have to like turn this way. Dude. I'm gonna go this way.
Yeah, you probably will because like you'll bottom out if you try going this way. See if you guys can see these tires, how bald they are. Yo, look at that! Look at that! Bald! Bald tires. They cut power. Turn in there. Turning all reels, man.
Yeah, this is the road you're talking about.
Yeah.
I didn't want it to, but I mean it's fine. Honestly.
I like this ride.
Yeah, it's a little bit shorter than Taylor. It's not bad.
Yeah.
I like it too. I read this off.
Crest, over, minus.
Feel it? Look.
Yeah, it's like right testing the grip right there.
Your muffler would be enough. That's what I'm doing with my 3-inch. I already have it straight pipe, but I just put the muffler back on. I have the ViGGEN tip, original ViGGEN tip, which will look nice again.
Yeah.
I love the look of that when I first opened the car. I mean,
This sounds fine. This looks fine now, and it sounds like way better.
It sounds amazing. It is gripping.
Yeah, it is gripping. turn it into it. I feel like the weight helps this car a lot. Like in a situation like this. My car with these ball tires would just be.
Well, I think there's just more water there.
Yeah, just like right here too.
Oh shit. That's what I was doing earlier by my house.
When you were by yourself?
Yeah.
Dude, so what's up with the track? Is the track like done?
I don't think so. I don't know.
I heard Willen got chased out of there or some shit.
I think he's just saying that to make people.
To maybe people not go there, yeah.
Like, I think his dad is still going there. He's like, it's fine. But, like, he doesn't want everybody going.
Yeah. That was low speed too, but we were cripping earlier. Let's see more water on the road up here. Cause yeah, that makes sense. This road is more flat though. Yeah, the hill should get it. I don't know. That's weird. 40 degrees.
What's this?
I fucking hate that shit right there, dude.
Speed warning at 50.
Speed warning at 50.
That's not on. Yo, night panel. Last night, I had it on. I don't know if you
that shit is sick,
right
the night panel. Probably. Yeah, if we probably close this up. Where's the jump?
Shit. It's a little hard to see.
Yeah, you can see it.
Yo, you can't see this.
Barely. It shows 90, like a little bit more illuminated.
I'm gonna go this way and see if when we're going under shit like this again, we'll make it a little bit dark.
True.
But like, I don't know if I'll be going fast enough. But if I go close to 90, it will light the rest of the speedometer up. But then once you go back past like 50 or past like 60, it goes back to only being lit up to 90.
True. What is this fucking county? City of Virginia. What? What is that? City of Vineland. What is that? City of Vineland. Dude, look at this illegal ass U. What are you doing, buddy?
Good thing I pulled out.
Yeah, good thing. It would have killed us.
Not reason. Well, like turbo gauge doesn't work.
It's not on right now.
I don't even know what my RPM is. I don't even know anything.
So I don't even know anything.
It's black, dude.
That's
it's all faulty. We gotta take it back to the dealership.
Dude, there's nothing's on. Nothing's on. It's not working.
Everything's lit up on the dash now, and that thing's working. What the fuck? What time is it? I don't even know.
We don't even know, dude. What's our cruising altitude? We don't know. These are sharp up here. These turns are sharp. In gear, pop.
See that? I mean, these roads, I guess, are ready for something.
Yeah. Seems it.
Yeah. It's like
right there. You would have pulled out on ball.
Yeah.
Maybe because like that ball has like a lot of dust, so it got kind of slick with the dust. You know what I mean? Because they have it. And that little mine or whatever the fuck they have back there.
Yeah. Let's see. I don't know about it. Not close enough to see it light all the way up.
Yeah.
Maybe I can get it here. Look, we're good. It lit all up. All of it lit up. And then look, watch. Wait. It hasn't gone back yet. I don't know why it hasn't gone back yet.
That shit was a little scary, Boost. Not gonna lie.
Went back.
Went back right there. Got it.
Right here, what is it doing? Lit up again. How you dying?
So you look at the top of the fucking cell towers in the cloud.
Yeah, so I got the rear fog lights on.
Oh yeah, make sure those are on. Yep, we're good. People can see us.
Yep, they already know we're coming. Shooting a big rooster tail because the tires in the back got all the tread.
Oh yeah. Look at this, really?
What are you guys doing here? What's everybody doing here?
Man?
Did you drop your load? Whoa, what is this? From Virginia. How are you doing in a Ranger? What is he doing?
What is he doing?
What'd they do? What'd you drop?
Oh, just do trash.
Where'd you get the trash from? Look at that thing. What is that? Oh, it's got the thing for the... Oh my god, look.
Ooh, ST gang, gang, gang.
They rolled it on.
Is this an EcoBoost Ranger?
I don't know, what is it?
I think it is.
No way.
Hit the wiper. Yeah, it is. It is. EcoBoost Ranger.
No way.
EcoBoost gang. Dude, what if that's like a V6 twin turbo in that thing?
Dude.
Tune the fuck out of that bitch.
Probably ripping.
Make it a ripper.
Holy shit.
Definitely already is a ripper. Look at the cell tower. You can barely see it.
Wow, foggy.
Foggy as shit. Yeah, dude, I feel like Willin is probably just saying that about the track. Just because. Not trying to get people to go there.
Yeah, honestly. Maybe some pops.
Some pops gonna.
Oh, just got a little down now.
Get the in gear ones. Oh! It does do that. Boost.
Bumpers in here. Look at it, dude. Look how nice and clean it is.
Dude, the 2002. But somebody had to hit you.
But who put this on top of it?
Whoa, buddy. That's how that should go.
That
buddy.
should get off of there.
That should definitely get off of there. Yeah, let's get these seats real quick. Turbo. Dude, so clean.
Al was up there.
Yeah, I heard that. Dude, the wood trim dash.
160.
Oh yeah, 160 on the dash. That's a 2002 shit.
Keys stuck in the ignition because
Yeah, that's just.
God damn, that valve up here.
Whoa, dude.
Personal.
Dude, we're basically in Sweden right now, honestly.
Yeah. What else can we take off that motor there? Yeah.
I think we got El Vigor. Let's give you guys a little look at the Vig. Vig.
Yep.
Vig. Yeah, is it unlocked?
Yeah.
Vig.
Whoa, dude, the SE badge on this side isn't there.
It isn't there either?
Is there an SE badge on that side, on the other side?
I'm not sure. I'm gonna check in a second. Forge.
revealing this motor once again. Whoa. Come check this out. Oh my god. Shit. You can still sell it. The spark plugs are untight, I feel like.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I tighten them. Yeah, the water's just holding up.
Holding up. Every leaf adds.
Jeez, look how
10
dirty
horsepower.
this thing is. Dude, look. Look, if you look down, I know, look at all those leaves. Dude, look in here. Look at the fucking oil on the head. Like, it looks like it might need a head.
Ooh, yeah.
Head gasket. Things oily. I don't even know if I want to take anything off.
It's a lot of gas in here.
Some of the lines.
What?
Some of the lines we took off of that one.
Uh-huh.
I think can go on that one. Pop the hood on that. Just open it up. It's already popped.
It's already popped. Which way is it?
Dude, just pull it up.
Oh, you just pull it up? Bro.
I think some of the fucking. No. Oh yeah. This right here.
Oh, that's a
I
little
just took
different.
that off.
2.3.
I just took that off.
You just took that off last one?
Off of that.
Off the hazelnut?
This.